Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Hulu account. Access streaming settings step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the Hulu app on your device. Check that your internet connection is stable before continuing. If you are on a computer, go to Hulu.com. If you are on a phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, open the Hulu app. Locate the login button on the screen. Click or select Login to start the sign-in process. Choose the correct login method if Hulu offers options like email and password. Enter the email address linked to your Hulu account. Enter your Hulu password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you use a password manager, select the saved Hulu login to avoid typing errors. Select Login to access your account. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Your Email or Password and follow the reset instructions. Check your email inbox for the reset link and create a new password if needed. Return to the Hulu login screen and sign in again with the updated password. If Hulu asks for a verification code, open your email or messages and enter the code. After signing in, confirm you see your profile or the Hulu home screen. Select your profile if multiple profiles appear. Go to your account area by selecting your profile icon or name. On a browser, choose Account from the menu. In the Account page, find the section labeled Settings or Account Settings. To manage streaming quality, look for Playback, Video Quality, or Data Usage settings. Set your preferred streaming quality such as Auto, Data Saver, or Best Available when available. To reduce buffering, choose Auto or a lower quality on slower connections. If you use subtitles, open Settings and locate Subtitles and Captions options. Adjust caption size, color, and style to match your viewing preference. To control autoplay, find autoplay settings and turn it on or off as you like. If you share the account, review profiles and parental controls to set viewing restrictions. Save any changes if the screen provides a save or confirm button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.